Meaning of inane.
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 Inane. The word inane refers to something that is lacking in substance or meaning, and is foolish, pointless, or absurd. It can describe behavior, speech, or ideas that are empty, shallow, or stupid. Inane comments or jokes may be seen as annoying or offensive, while an inane task or job may be seen as a waste of time or effort. In summary, when something is described as inane, it suggests that it is trivial, nonsensical, or downright silly, and serves no useful purpose in the context it is used in.